Hi everyone, welcome to Lee and Toon's channel. And we've had a busy day today, a good productive day. And most of the windows are in the house. Unfortunately, the blockwork, the mortar hasn't set off, so it'd be very, very easy for someone to come and take the wall down and take all the windows away. So we're going to go and stay down there for as long as possible into the wee small hours. So while we're there, we're going to have a picnic. So we've got a little portable barbecue. So Toon's going to grill some pig neck with a dip. And what we've got here are our standing hooks. So our first trip of the year, trying to get some mudfish, or better known as snakehead, bachon. And I've got my famous car boot bargain, which was a crab pot or lobster pot, which I bastardised it a little bit, and I've already put some minging old bait in there, and we're going to pop it in a pond near to our farm and see what we get. So I'm not sure how the video is going to turn out because it's going to be quite dark down there. We've got some portable lights to take, but when the batteries are dead, that'll be it. So yeah, we love night fishing. Can't wait. Let's see how we go. Welcome everyone. We're on the farm. You alright, missus? And it's al fresco tonight. What we got for the menu, Toon?
Pork neck grill.
Pork neck grill. Alloy. It's got the barbie going.
And dip with the called Jim Jiao.
Jim Jiao.
Jim Jiao.
Jim Jiao.
Yeah, what the dip called.
And what's in the dip?
Chili fish sauce, amaji, suka, chili powder, broken rice, shallot, spring onion, coriander, thing like that.
Sounds good.
Lemon.
Oh, now we're cooking. Took a little while to get the barbie going, but it's fine now. What time do you reckon it is?
8 o'clock.
So the reasons we're down here is so that our windows don't get stolen. And once we've had something to eat, we're going to go and try and catch some, I don't know how you say it, small frog. A keb. Tiny frog. If we can catch some tiny frogs, then we can put some bait on the standing hooks that we got. Go and put them in some rice farms and some ponds. If not, we'll just eat and have a couple of drinks and just slob out for a few hours, and then when we can't stick it out any longer, then we'll go back to their house. Gingangooli gooli 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 watcha, gingangoo, gingangoo, gingangooli gooli 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 watcha, gingangoo, gingangoo. It was better than the Lobel House song.
Yeah.
Ooh, is it ready yet?
Can be soon. Nothing out. Just this and rice and chili dip, that's it. Oh dear, I can't put anywhere.
So much fat, isn't it?
You not call pig neck for nothing?
Yeah, pig neck's super fatty, but it's lovely and tasty.
Oh dear, just drop the oil in it.
We were just saying, me and Toon, before we started recording, this reminds of us our times camping in Anglesey. We used to catch, kill, clean and cook everything we used to catch, and then have a barbecue at night time. It was almost like admitting defeat every time we had to go to Tesco's to buy something. We love it. quite a few bugs when we first came down, but they've all shed their wings now. Mang Mao, isn't it, Toon? They don't bite you, but they're quite big and they flap around your face quite a lot.
They do, they can bite.
Can they? They're yet to get... the only thing that hasn't bitten me yet, then.
They're not really bite, but if they are bite, they bite.
How's your nose now after your wasp bite today? It's alright?
Think so.
Your nose is still really pretty.
Shut up.
Shut up. I'm so hungry, even Bambi's not safe, tell you.
Oh dear, Shaco.
I don't mind it crispy. I quite like
They
armadillos.
never go crispy, any. There's so many fat.
We got more flames than Burger King, haven't we?
Look at that.
Oh, there's a Mang Mao trying to eat the pork. Get out. Not too bad for mozzies tonight so far, but we have got plenty of smoke coming off the barbie. I'm smothered from head to foot in mozzie lotion as well.
Oh dear me.
You'll get the hang of it. This is our posh bed for tonight. A sheet of luxurious cardboard with the top covering of bamboo mat. And the seating arrangement are concrete blocks. No expense spared here. It's the glamorous lifestyle for us. Posh, isn't we, in there?
Yep.
Oh, that's got my name on it, that black one. I think it's Leo o'clock, isn't it?
3 o'clock.
Beer o'clock.
Put them back on, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
These little light bulbs are brilliant, aren't they, too? You just screw them into a little plug and you put them in your just a normal socket, electrical socket at home. So you just charge them up, and then when you want to use them or there's a power cut, you just flick them on. How many hours we normally get with them? It's a few, isn't it?
6 to 8.
6 to 8 hours, it's not bad.
I think it's a 4 go down.
Yeah, as they get older. But they're good, we're really
Sand
impressed.
on your pork and soon, isn't it?
Just like the UK then.
No, I can hear that.
You've gone a bit dark though. Just see your glasses. Humour.
Mark. Cheers, everyone. Come on.
We did consider staying down here all night, but because we haven't got the walls and doors and windows totally finished, we're just a bit concerned that, just security-wise.
We'll be soon. Another few
Yeah.
days.
Couple of days, all the walls and doors and windows will all be sorted, and then we can bring a proper mosquito tent net down, and yeah, that's what we love.
Not cartoon and leave for nothing.
I think the next GoPro 6, that'll probably have can record smells on it as well. That'll get some extra views, I think. Oh, I didn't tell on the other videos about Klopp falling in the pond again yesterday morning. He didn't actually go underwater when he was with, like same when he was with you, but yeah, he definitely shit himself.
That wife is dead, isn't it?
Yeah. His fault is trying to push past me on the corner again. Oh, and I've not checked the video from 2 o'clock this morning when Spoon was barking at that black scorpion. So Muggins drew the short straw. I went out and see what all the commotion was, and it was Spoon. Klopp was useless. Yeah, you got the phone number for the Cambodians, have you?
He just blah everyone.
They wouldn't want him anyway. There's no meat on him. He's just all bone, isn't he?
He loved the dog more than me, so he just blah
Lies.
about that.
Lies. I do love dog, but not more than you. What I've done is cleverly position myself downwind.
Yeah, you come like
That's probably why I'm not getting bitten. I'm just.
Why not move?
I'm gonna in a minute.
Of course, sit and where you chair it.
Now you're gonna tell me off for putting sand everywhere. Is that okay? Ugh. Looking good.
Go cut a kid and grill them.
I'm not eating grilled frog when we've got pork neck there. When we live here for real, if we're that poor, yeah, I'll have the frog then, but...
We are poor.
Now. We can't be poor, otherwise there'd be no pork neck and there'd just be dip and rice, wouldn't there?
You got one grilled basil.
One basil.
Basil made with the salt powder, isn't it? Called salt powder? Or what?
Salt powder. Flour.
Powder. Salt. Basil.
Just a salty basil.
That
sounds good.
And sticky like dip in it.
Basil, guys, is just, I suppose, a Thai version of white bait, but even smaller. Not even as big as your little finger. They're good though, aren't they? They are tasty. But one, I'm not sure if you taste that. Not once you've cooked it. Ooh.
Oh.
That was
Pardon me.
that was a man bird.
Mang mao. Good.
What?
Oh, must see. Mang mao.
You've got a spray, why don't you put it on? I don't know why you don't put spray on and then you moan that you get bitten.
I'm not get bit, I just say them first.
You don't even get itchy when you get bitten anyway. It's not fair.
You should set table now.
Set the table?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay.
Almost
Almost a full moon. And the clouds are clearing. So, hopefully, when we go fishing, if we can be bothered, we should be able to see quite a bit. You're hogging the beer again, missus, are you? Oh, I see that. Are you trying to tell me get my own? Yeah, but sharing's where you both have it. What are you doing? gonna get the sack, you are, dropping that in there.
Come grill them then.
I've got a bad leg, I can't. Oh yeah.
Set table.
I thought I had.
With what? I
With...
just need more lemon if you're not enough.
Ah, we've even got dessert tonight, haven't we?
Yeah, mine.
Famous Kampang pet bananas, poached in coconut milk.
India, yeah.
I'm not sure how this sharing's working out. Oh, thank you.
I thought you told me to clean bit. Why you do that?
That's it then. Food's ready. We've got some salad and grilled pork neck and the dip, a couple of bowls of rice, and if we're still hungry, we got some kanum later.